Hey, it's John-Marc, and thanks for checking out this latest drawing video on teaching you how to draw cartoons in 3 easy steps. Well, if you like farm animals, this one is going to be a project just up your alley. It's going to be a little oink, oink, oink. Yeah, this cute little pig. So if you have your pencil and you have some paper, I think we're ready to begin this lesson. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step. Now, this was a fun lesson, and what can you take home from this? Well, a lot of times when I share some of the characters that I worked on, like an animal, I have a lot of students and people have a hard time getting that perspective with the 4 legs that the animal have to make sure one isn't longer than the other and then proportionally they're in the right area. So some of the key things I want you to really look at is on the bottom, this is like this imaginary 3-dimensional box. I'm going to show that on other lessons, but ultimately, take a look at the pig that I did, and it has like it's an invisible perspective box where the feet actually line up, so you know exactly where they belong and everything. That's an easy trick, but what can you really take home from this lesson? Whatever was challenging on there, keep trying and work and practice on that area. Keep going over and over and over again. If you did this cartoon pig 3, 4, 5 times, perfect. The more you do, the better you get. Ultimately, the more you practice on anything, you're going to be better. And I know you're going to be a better artist watching all these videos that I had made. And I really appreciate you checking them out. As always, thanks and have a great day. Don't forget to stop at our website. That's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot. Don't forget to visit our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you should take a look at our bookstore and download or purchase How to Draw 50 Different Fish.